So, Heather Mia,
Yes, I'm Haider.
how are you, Heather?
Fine, thank you very much.
Okay, you are in Max Hospital.
Yes, Max Hospital. I have a good experience with Max Hospital since last year.
Okay,
My father had two operations, hernia and prostate. So
okay.
someone gave
How
me
do you come to know We Care?
someone actually gave me advice to go to Max. And because of the good experience of last year, I contact Max
We Care?
from Holland, and I got Vicare,
Okay,
Mr. Kaushik.
okay,
And then because in Holland they told to me the cure of my father cost around 12 weeks,
okay,
and for the cancer it's too long, and my father has had skin cancer.
okay,
So I contact Mr. Kaushik, and they told me it's be around 2 weeks.
okay,
So I came directly to India. So
okay.
they have arranged everything, and within 1 week they operated,
Mhm,
and it's all 1 week the operation is done,
mhm,
and we are satisfied about everything
mhm.
and about the sort of cure and doctors.
Mhm.
So it's amazing what I see than the Dutch people of the European doctors.
Okay,
Here is much better,
okay,
much faster than them.
okay,
So I'm happy with that.
okay.
Yes.
Now, how are you feeling? You are satisfied with the treatment you got for your father?
Yes, I'm satisfied with the doctors with treatment, but the
Okay,
result will show what will be, and I'm
Okay.
sure about the result also.
okay,
It will be okay.
okay, good. Inshallah.
Inshallah, everything will be okay.
Yeah.
My father is 86 years old.
He is 86?
Yeah. So
Okay.
I wanted to give it at the good hands, not.
Yeah.
So I think, and I'm sure that it is.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Also, Mr.
Thank you, Mr. Barat Ali.
من تشكر.
وانت شكر وريك شكرا
Thank you. So nice of you.
وشكرا
Shabak hai.
روز بخير.
Roz bak hai.
Yeah.
Okay.
شمار مرسم بخير